16th of June today, the Vivo X100 Ultra, and I am shooting with the latest update. It was a trial update and now it is already a stable update. I promised to do a follow-up on the video quality, 4K 60 FPS with the front camera, so please enjoy this beautiful scenery. This is the Atliman beach, this is Bulgaria Kitten. If you ever visit the Black Sea, right, Bulgaria, then you might as well want to visit this beautiful place. And now, enough talking guys, I'm gonna switch to the back camera. This is the back camera, 4K 60 FPS as we speak. Once again, enjoy the beautiful scenery guys. Ultra wide 1x, ultra wide 2x, all right, ultra wide 3.7 still optical, ultra wide 10, because one of the change locks was indeed going for a smoother transition, so I'm now going from 0.6 to 10x, and you let me know what you think down below. I'm going to zoom further to 20x and I'm going to give you the full range from 20x to 0.6. It is still not up to iPhone levels, but I do believe that it has further improved. So now let's just test all the ranges that we have. 3.7 is the optical one, 10x is hybrid, it is still very good, and we can go up to 20x one more time. So one more time, 0.6, 1, 2, 3.7 guys. I'm gonna give you 10x, which is 230 millimeters, and then we have 20x. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is the jitter gone? Do you think that the footage is better and improved or not? And I'm gonna also try to do a slow running to test the stabilization. This is with the back camera guys. One more time, let me do a slow run to test the stabilization. I'm gonna turn to the back camera and do the same test. It's not easy to run. We have almost like 35 Celsius. 4K 60 FPS with the front camera. That also has, by the way, autofocus. I'm not sure if you know this, but the front camera has autofocus, guys. None of the recent phones kept that feature. Well, I want to show you this beautiful scenery, the Atliman beach in Kitten. And one more time, 1x ultra wide, 1x 3.7 guys. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna also show you 10x. All right, let's just try to zoom far away. What is this, Primorsko? I'm not sure. And give you also 20x.
Hallelujah, girl, sing hallelujah. Uptown funk gon' give it to ya.